In this video, we can focus on how to set up year-end process. The leave year end process is an annual exercise conducted at the end of the leave year. It ensures that all leave-related details such as lapses, encashment and carry-forward balances are put in place before the next leave year begins. To set up year-end process for your company, go to Company Setup, click on Year-end Process. Then select the branch for leave year-end process. We have already discussed how to set up leave year in previous video. Select branch, then click the process button. Now you can see the active leave year here. All leave policies assigned for the employees in a selected branch will show here. For example, sick casual earned is a leave policy. ABC leave policy is another leave policy group. We have already discussed how to set up leave policy in the other video. In this, you can see the leave allotted days, carry forward, allow negative, whether sandwich leave is applicable or not. Here, Y means applicable and N means not applicable. We have already discussed how to set and conditions of leave, allotted days, carry forward, allow negative and sandwich options in the leave policy video. Here, pending request means if the employees are applied for the leave and if it is not approved, it will be shown in pending request count against that leave. If there is pending leave request, year-end process can't be done. In this, year-end process can be done because the pending requests are 0. Then click the process button. Now year-end process is completed. Now it's showing 2021. This is active leave year now. Now 2020 leave year is closed and 2021 is opened. Like this, you can do other branches year-end process also. Thank you.